Hey, you're here! Finally! Welcome to Stronghold Numero... Good morning! So, what are you up to today, huh? Hey, you're... Welcome to Stronghold... is that a Send me anywhere in the world. I've slept on the streets, down at the dock, deep in the forest. That was all before I met you, though. This place is something else. In fact, I'm gonna go on the record and say that the comfort level here is like... 10. Seriously, though, I'm just telling it how it is. If it's okay with you, I might actually make this my main pad. Anyway, point made. Boom. But the code of the street says I should find a way to express my, Ha! Yeah! Attaboy! Let's roll!